Welcome back to another episode of Bona's Kitchen. Today, I'm gonna share another Filipino recipe, the Yema Tarts. If you love Yema like me and you love tarts, this recipe is perfect for you. But before we start, please don't forget to hit that like button. Yema Tarts are a popular Filipino dessert consisting of a pastry shell filled with a sweet, creamy Yema filling. Yema is a traditional Filipino custard-like filling made from milk, sugar, and egg yolks, often flavored with vanilla or other flavorings. The combination of the crunchy pastry and smooth, sweet Yema filling makes Yema Tarts a beloved treat in the Philippines. Are you ready? Let's get baking! The ingredients that we will need are 2 cups plain flour, half cup unsalted butter, chilled, 2 tablespoons white sugar, 1/4 teaspoon salt, 1 large egg, and 1 1/2 tablespoon of water. For the Yema filling, we will need 1 can condensed milk, 3 egg yolks, 1/4 cup evaporated milk, half cup chopped cashew nuts or your preferred nuts, 2 tablespoons butter, 1/2 teaspoon vanilla extract, and half teaspoon of lemon zest. In a food processor, add the plain flour, white sugar, salt, butter, and blitz them together until coarse crumbs are formed. Then, add the egg and the water and blitz it again until the dough is formed. Once done, transfer the dough onto a cling film and wrap it and chill it in the fridge for at least 30 minutes. Now, grease the tart mold with butter. I got these molds from the Philippines, but I think you can also buy some from Amazon. Once done, set this aside. In a pan over medium heat, add the condensed milk, egg yolks, add in the evaporated milk, vanilla extract, and the lemon rind. Mix them together and cook it until it becomes thick. Then, add in the butter. Once the butter is completely incorporated, remove it from the heat and set it aside to cool. Now we're gonna mold the tarts. Scoop about a tablespoon of the dough and press it onto the tart mold just like this. Make sure you press them hard, especially to the sides. Remove the excess dough using your hands, or you can use a knife to cut it off. And then put a cling film on top of it and get another tart mold and press it. Repeat the procedure with the remaining dough. Now, poke each of the tarts using fork. Then, bake these in a preheated oven of 170 degrees Celsius for about 20 minutes or until the top is golden brown. After baking, let this completely cool. Now, using a piping bag, fill the tarts with Yema Filling. Repeat the procedure with the remaining tarts. After filling the tarts with Yema, top it with the chopped cashew nuts. By the way, you can use other nuts like peanuts or other nuts of your choice. And here's our finished product! Yema Tarts are crunchy and delicious. They're often enjoyed as a snack or dessert and are also commonly served at parties and gatherings. I hope you'll give this recipe a try. Thank you for watching today's episode. If there's any recipe that you want to see in this channel, please comment down below. See you next time. Bye!